Welcome to JH. Launching an Instagram shop might feel intimidating at first, but the process is actually quite straightforward when you take it step by step. It primarily involves establishing the right connections and ensuring your profile is configured correctly. In this detailed guide, we will cover every specific instruction needed to get your shop running so you can begin selling quickly. First, you must understand that an Instagram shop requires a Facebook account. If you do not already have a Facebook business page, you must create one before moving forward. This is a vital requirement because Instagram's retail features are built directly into Facebook's business infrastructure. Without this foundation, the setup will not be possible. Once your Facebook page is ready, ensure your Instagram is set to a business or creator account, as personal profiles do not support shopping features. You can easily change this in your account settings to unlock essential tools like product tagging and analytics. Additionally, you must link your Instagram account to your Facebook page so the platform can pull information from your product catalog. Finally, ensure your business adheres to Instagram's commerce policies and product guidelines. Once approved, you will gain access to the full suite of shopping tools. If you need to build a Facebook page, simply go to the Pages section of your account and select Create New Page. Enter your business name, a category such as Online Store, and a brief bio. Facebook will also ask for your website, phone number, and address. Filling these out completely ensures your business looks professional. With the page established, it is time to link it to Instagram. Open Meta Business Suite on your computer, which serves as the central hub for managing both platforms. Navigate to the Inbox section, select the Instagram tab, and log in to authorize the connection. This confirms the link and brings you one step closer to your goal. To ensure your Instagram account is properly configured, go to your profile and tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Scroll to the Account section and select Switch to Professional Account. Follow the prompts to choose a business profile rather than a creator one, and select a category like retail or e-commerce that fits your brand. This enables the business tools necessary for a shop. Next, return to Meta Business Suite. Click on All Tools and find the Commerce tab. Here, you will create a catalog to hold your product details, images, and prices. You can upload items manually or sync them from an existing e-commerce platform. After your catalog is set up, click Create a Shop and follow the guided instructions. You will select your Facebook page and choose your primary sales channels. You can also configure delivery options and regional settings at this stage. Once the shop is created, customize its appearance by adjusting product categories and adding your logo. A cohesive brand style helps build customer confidence. Ensure your product photos are clear and your descriptions are accurate, so buyers understand exactly what they are purchasing. Before going live, double-check every detail for accuracy. When you are ready, publish your shop. Note that Instagram may require a few days for final verification. With your shop live, focus on promotion to drive sales. Use Facebook Ads Manager to build targeted campaigns based on demographics and interests. Visual formats like carousel or video ads with a Shop Now button are highly effective for attracting customers. On your main feed, post regularly and use shopping tags in both posts and stories so followers can buy items instantly. You can also use story highlights to keep your products easily accessible for new visitors. To keep your audience engaged, mix your content with behind-the-scenes peeks, tutorials, and customer photos. Building a community is key, so respond to comments quickly and encourage users to tag your brand. Finally, use a blend of niche and trending hashtags to improve discoverability and maintain a steady presence on the platform to stay top of mind.